Hi guys, welcome to another video of mine. In this video I'm going to explain to you how Video Master Blaster is working. Let's go in and have a look. Make money from home. I'm going to put it in. It's already been listed. Let's see where it is. Let's go. If it is listed, I'm not sure if I can find it. Going already. Oh, there's it. Alright, that's the one that's been listed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Video Master Blaster to change that description, the name, and we're going to see how it's going to work. Video Master Blaster. I think this is a good one. How to make quick money. But okay, help us with that. Okay, let's go. And yeah, this is Video Master Blaster. Open the keyword section. And let's take the area where, let's take the how to make money online 2020. I think that's a good keyword. Let's take that. You can just add your keywords there, where I showed keywords. Look there, I add it in there, and I add it in there, and then you click search. That's your keyword, and he will do the rest. Let it search for us and make sure. Alright, there you can see right on top is 3,500. That's, I think it's only estimate. I'm not sure. I'm also new to this Video Master Blaster. What's this? This is maybe the search. Yeah, this is a search for 1 year. Okay. He's still searching. He's busy. Let's wait until he's finished. Take a bit of time. There it's finished. Okay, let's look at this top stuff here. Okay, there you can read for yourself what that is. I'm also new to this software, but okay, here's also some keywords that you can use, that he say you can use. But okay, how to make money online in Twitter. No, that's the one. I'm gonna take that one. Okay, now we're gonna go over to video details. Let's go over. Right, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in that keyword there is English. We leave it at English. Paste that keyword in there, and now we're gonna go down to the next step. Let's finish up that step. Okay guys, I'm gonna stick with that. There you can change your header if you want. Okay, and then here is some also secondary keywords. You can choose up to 5. That's it, and then you can go. Alright, there you add in your website, your video channel, your keyword that you want. Now let's use that one. Let's put it in there. Okay, let's go over to my video now. Paste it in there. Yeah, there's it. Okay, yeah, I'm in my video. I changed it already. The keywords there. We copy the description now. Just click copy to clipboard. Then you go over to that. Yeah, and remember, guys, what I said. This was already listed. This video. I couldn't find it, or we did find it, but it was way down. I think maybe on the 3rd page if you go and look for that. So I'm gonna delete all my old tags, and I'm gonna copy the new tags from the software, a great software. Let's copy this. Oh, it's a lot of keywords, no? But okay, you can play with the software. There's a lot of stuff in it. I'm still new to it but I just want to show you a quick video that it works. The software really works. Okay, there it is. I click save. I've done a lot of videos, upgrade my keywords. You can look at it there. All the ones with the blues on the left, I upgrade, but there's the one we just upgraded. And let's open it. Let's copy this. I don't think it will be listed now. It takes a bit of time. Remember, I'm not sure how YouTube is working. Maybe it takes a bit of time. I don't know how long, but we will check for you to get listed. So let's have a look quickly. I just done it now. Let's look. Nowhere. All right, but that's immediate effect what we done. I just save it. We go over and have a look. Okay, I'm gonna go and search, and I will come back and explain to you what time it takes. There's it, guys. Look at this. I'm 3rd from the top. Remember, I couldn't even find it. I'm 3rd from the top. How to make money online. Let's put in there 2020. Search. 3rd. I'm 3rd, guys. Yeah. And remember, look at my views. My views is standing on 63. Let's see if I'm going to get views. Okay, I can't promise that. But my views is on 63. Look there, 63. But see, let's give it some time, and I will come back to you and see if I received some more views. Let's just take the secondary keyword, make money online. That, where do we, you see, you're in the top 4, top 3. You can rank first, but I can tell you the software works. You're on the first page of your niche. This really works. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, to watch this video, and go and get a software to get rank on YouTube on the first page, and that's been shown it's working. Thank you. See you in my next video.